respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Some problems makes noise, but some destroy silently. Today I am here to speak about a silent destroyer of our nation, corruption. If honesty becomes a habit, corruption will become history. So let's get started. Yesterday, an auto driver asked 50 rupees extra to skip the meter. In school, some students pay for their exam hence. This amount may look smaller today, but altogether, corruption costs nearly about 65,000 crores every year. Imagine enough laptops for students or even a Mars mission. Corruption is like a termite. You cannot see them at first, but slowly they destroy your whole house from inside. Roads crack, medicines fail, and opportunities disappear, all because someone chose dishonesty over duty. But the key to change this is in our hands. It is called honesty. When I refused to copy in class 8, I practiced saying no to corruption at 28. When you stand patiently in a queue, you build a fair nation. Friends, corruption free India will not only begin in parliament, but it will begin in your classroom just like this one. Because we are not the leaders of tomorrow, but we are the responsible citizens of today. Jai Hind and thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.